In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn account from Microsoft Teams. Disconnecting your LinkedIn profile from Teams can be beneficial for several reasons, whether you're switching professional accounts, managing privacy settings, or simply tidying up your connected services. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly so you can confidently manage your account integrations. Let's get started with the first step to ensure your profiles are set up exactly how you want them. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. Once it's loaded and you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture. This image is your gateway to accessing various personal settings and account management options within Teams. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices related to your presence, status, and most importantly for our task today, your profile settings. So go ahead and give that profile picture a click to open up these options. After clicking your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll need to locate and click on View Your Profile. This selection isn't just about seeing a larger version of your profile picture. It takes you to a dedicated page within Teams where you can manage more comprehensive details about your account. This is the crucial next step in navigating to where your connected services, including LinkedIn, are displayed and can be managed. Choosing View Your Profile brings us closer to the specific settings we need to access. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see various sections detailing your information. Look for an option specifically labeled LinkedIn. This indicates the integration between your Microsoft Teams account and your LinkedIn profile. It might be presented as a direct link, a small icon, or part of a larger connected accounts section. The purpose of clicking this is to access the specific management options for your LinkedIn connection. This action will lead you to the interface where you can control the link to your professional social network. Upon clicking LinkedIn, you will likely be presented with details about your currently connected LinkedIn profile. There will be an option, often labeled Wrong LinkedIn Profile, or perhaps Disconnect Profile, or Change Profile. This button is designed to initiate the process of managing or removing the existing connection. Regardless of the exact phrasing, clicking on this link or button will take you to the specific controls needed to either change the linked profile, or in our case, remove the current connection entirely. This is where you tell Teams you want to adjust or sever the link. Once you've clicked on the option to manage your LinkedIn profile, you'll typically find a clear Disconnect or Remove button. This is the critical step to severing the connection. Make sure to carefully read any text accompanying this button to understand what disconnecting entails. It might warn you about what data will no longer be shared. When you're ready, proceed by clicking this Disconnect or Remove button. This action tells Microsoft Teams that you no longer wish to have your LinkedIn account linked to your profile here. After initiating the disconnection, it's very common for a confirmation dialog box or pop-up window to appear. This is a standard security measure designed to prevent accidental disconnections. The message will typically ask you to confirm your decision, often reiterating what will happen once the link is removed. It's important to read this message carefully one last time. To finalize the process, click Confirm, Yes, or Disconnect again within this pop-up. This final confirmation ensures that your intent to remove the LinkedIn account is clear and deliberate. Finally, after confirming the disconnection, it's a good practice to verify that the LinkedIn account has been successfully removed from your Microsoft Teams profile. You can do this by checking the LinkedIn section within your profile settings again. You should no longer see your previously linked LinkedIn profile details. Instead, you might see an option to connect LinkedIn or link a new profile, which indicates that the previous connection has been successfully severed. This final check confirms that your LinkedIn account is no longer associated with your Microsoft Teams profile, completing the process.